Right, but before I even do that, what'd you say? Yeah, before I even begin to find the LCD, I might want to factor these things. So this is going to be x plus 1 on top. What is this trinomial factored out to be? The bottom, yes. Right. Okay, the bottom factor is x minus 1 times x minus 1. Now I'm subtracting. I keep this minus sign. X minus 4. What does this thing factor out to be? Difference of squares, so it's going to be x plus 1 times an x minus 1. So here to here, I just factored as much as possible. Okay. Now I've got to identify my LCD. So what will my lowest common denominator be here? X plus 1 and then an x minus 1, but we need one more. Not x plus 1 because I've got, yeah, so notice that this denominator has two factors of x minus 1. So I need all two of those x minus 1s in there. This factor has an x plus 1 and x minus 1. So I need to add that x plus 1. I've already got an x minus 1, so I don't need to add it again. So my lowest common denominator will be this product. Okay? So what do I need to multiply this guy by to get a lowest common denominator? X plus 1 times an x plus 1. And I'm going to have an x plus 1 times x minus 1 times x minus 1. I'm multiplying this first fraction by x plus 1 over x plus 1 to get this lowest common denominator. So I've already got the two x minus 1. What am I going to multiply this thing by? Yes, so I need an x plus 1 and then two minus 1s. Well, I've got a plus 1 and a minus 1, so I need one more x minus 1. Okay. So again, I've got my LCD as this. I don't want to keep writing all these things out. In the end, you might want to write it out, and I'll show you why in a minute. But let's go ahead and try to subtract these things now. Before I subtract them, though, what do I have to do to the numerators? Yeah, I actually have to multiply them out, right? So I distributed 9 times a plus 7 is 9a plus 63. So I have to do the same thing here, but here I'm got to multiply these binomials. So what is x plus 1 times x plus 1? Yeah, so this is going to be x squared plus 2x plus 1 all over my LCD minus, what do these two multiply out to be? X squared so you used your FOIL or distributive property, right? If you distribute everything out, minus 5x plus 4 all over my LCD.